How much is it? I help my friend, guys. I send money for Indonesian. 7 million.
How much? 7 KD to 7 million.
7 million.
Yes.
Too much rich, huh? 7 million. That's why I make video because I'm smiling. And 7 million in the Philippines is too much big money. I can go home, I can make business. I can buy everything. Chip Daniel.
City light. SIM card.
You sign first, but I can guide. No, it's not for you.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Hold this one. How much rich this lady? 7 million sent my country.
Thank you.
Just wait. Give me 1 million.
Thank you, Billy.
Welcome. I want to see your fatura. I want to see how much. May fatura. The 7 million. No. See guys. The paper, this one I sent in Indonesian. I help my friend here, the new stuff. And then she sent 7 million in her country. Indonesia's too much big money. But almost the same. Just only the equivalent is almost the same. 7 million in the Philippines, in the country like 13,000. I think like that. 13, 12 in the Philippines. But in Indonesia, it's 7 million. Guys, have a good day. Bye-bye. Ayo, say bye. Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Thank you, my vlog. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.